Hello, everyone. Well, good morning. Um, I'm making up some country sausage gravy for biscuits. Now, you can use your favorite biscuit. I have a few. I could drop those in the description for you. I got my biscuits over here done. Yummy, yummy. Let me show y'all one of these. Like I said, those look pretty. I'll drop you one of the a few of the recipes there in the description, or even canned biscuits if you don't want to make some biscuits up. Use some canned biscuits. But here I'm frying up a pound of the Jimmy Dean sage breakfast sausage. Now, a lot of us make it different. You know, there's times where I'll just make it, fry it, sprinkle my flour and a little bit of seasoning and add my milk and stuff. But sometimes I just like my sausage separate from the gravy. That way everything don't just taste like sausage. So I like to do it, different at times. Sometimes I just don't want that strong flavor of a bunch of sausage in my gravy. So I'll separate it. So we're going to make up a country pepper gravy. So we'll get this all fried up, okay? Okay. I got my sausage fried and crumbled up. Now you can chop this small as you want, but get some nice brown color on it. And we will get the gravy going. Okay, I have some butter in my pan here, and I'm going to add in my flour. Now we're not looking to brown this. We just want to cook that raw flavor off that flour. So I'll cook this maybe a minute. Okay? Okay. That's been cooking for about a minute. Now Curtis is going to slowly drizzle me some milk in here. Okay, go ahead. Dump. And we like a lot of gravy. Now you can have this recipe. Okay. The pepper there, Curtis. Now that's fresh cracked black pepper. Country gravy is important to have the right pepper if you have it. Not the ground pepper. Get you some of that cracked pepper. Sometimes I don't like to use my little pepper thing, and I just buy the ones that are already in the bottle. It's fresh, coarse ground pepper. I really like that. Now I'm going to add in, let me get this stirred first. Now I'm using, I always use chicken broth in my gravy. But versus the ones in the can or the box, I like to use the Knorr. It just has a wonderful flavor to it that we really like. And some spices in there that are really good. So I know that bouillon it's like a powder. And I have in here my thyme, which I just put in the palm of my hand and just kind of grinded it between my hands. Which is the thyme leaves. I just put it in my hand there and just kind of rub it. Throw it in there. And here's our black pepper. Can't have country gravy without lots of pepper. So now what we're going to do is wait for this to come to a boil. And then we'll let it simmer maybe a minute or two. Okay? Once it comes to a boil, turn it down, let it simmer. Okay, there's the yummy gravy. Now if you see you want yours thicker, just let it keep cooking on that low boil. But that's about, because it's going to thicken as it sits. And if you want it thicker, just keep cooking it. Don't that look good? Okay, we're going to plate up some biscuits and gravy. Okay, my friends, there it is. Now what I did was just poured my gravy over my biscuits, and I added some of the sausage crumbles on top. That way we can add much of sausage as we want with our gravy. Some just don't like it with sausage, just gravy, Your choice. You can you can add the sausage to your gravy if you'd like. But sometimes we just like it this way, and We're having some hash browns, but Curtis said he's not waiting, and some over easy eggs. He's not waiting. He's waiting for this.
Come on,
so
let's go.
taste it with him, Curtis. Go ahead, son.
Gotta give me plenty of sausage in this delicious bite.
You kind of sounded like Rocky. How'd you say it? Sausage? Sausage? She can't say sausage right. It's going to be hot. Be careful. Good God, Curtis. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Boy, you should have had you
that is so good.
Drink out. You like it? Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
And salt, guys. I didn't add no salt to it because of the chicken bouillon is salty enough for me. Of course, he wanted more black pepper on his. He's like his daddy. He likes that black pepper, boy.
That wasn't I gotta go back for a second.
Eat it up, son. But there it is, guys. I hope you enjoy. Stay blessed. And if I ever forget anything, I'll drop it in the description. And everything you need for this video will be in the description. I usually say that in the beginning because I know most people don't watch all the way to the end. And then I start hearing, where's the recipe? Where's the recipe? But I'm not going to keep going on blabbering with my mouth. So there it is. Enjoy. Love y'all. Please subscribe. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.